Hey traders, Justin Bennett here with Daily Price Action. It is April 6th on a Sunday, about 40 minutes before the market opens, and I wanted to come to you with a quick video of my favorite setup for the week. We're looking at the CAD yen chart right now on a daily time frame, and as you can see, I'm just going to draw it out for you, we got a really nice bearish pin bar on Friday. Okay, and not only is this a bearish pin bar, but it's also a bearish engulfing bar, because you can see the Thursday bar here that is completely engulfed. Alright, so I'm not a big fan of diagonal support and resistance levels, but if I get a really nice level like this one, I will play it. And let me just show you what the level looks like. This particular level actually goes back to April of last year, so 1 year ago, where we got this low here, and then we had several more lows made last year, okay, going into October of last year. This year we broke through it with a lot of selling pressure, and now we can see that the market is respecting that level as resistance, as we would expect it to. And then last week we had this nice run up and we got this reversal signal. Okay, so this is definitely a range trade. It's not my favorite kind of pattern to play. I typically like really strong trends, but when you get a level like this, it's pretty hard to pass up. As far as levels to the downside, I think you've got to look at the let me just draw it out for you here. I think you've got to look at the 92.20, and I think you've got to look at the 90.80. The 92.20 I think is because you can see some highs and lows here, some lows here, highs and lows here, and then more highs here. So I think as far as an initial profit target, that's got to be your first level. Could it drop to the 90.80 level? Absolutely. And it could even run further, but I think if we're going to be diligent, which you have to be in this market, you've got to look at that 92.20 as your first profit target area. And lastly, with a bar of this size, I do think you're going to get some kind of a pullback if the market decides to drop lower. And typically that pullback will come right around the 50% area, and in this case that area is going to be right about here on that Thursday bar high. Alright, so I do think that we'll get price coming back up here first if it's going to drop lower. Alright, typically when you get a bar of this size late in the week, the chances of price opening today and us just seeing price just plummet south, it's it's really rare. I mean, I'd say maybe 1 in 10, 1 in 15 times you'll see that price will just drop, but typically you're going to get some kind of pullback, and that offers you a chance to get in at a really great level, because you can then get in up here, set your stop above the pin bar, and you've got that much more to work with as far as a risk to reward ratio. Alright, so that's my favorite trade setup for the week, guys. Good luck trading out there. Until next time, this is Justin Bennett with Daily Price Action. Thanks for watching.